breakfast for dinner with Elijah and Lily. Hi people, my name is Elijah.
My name is Lily.
And first, we wash our hands. Guys, can you turn the soap on? Oh, never mind.
Can you get cold on?
Yeah, it's cold.
Hi people.
Deb, when we're done the show, can we say the show almost ends, people? Bye. Can we say that at the end? Right. This is fun so far.
Hey, let me have it.
Hold on. And now we start cooking.
That's my turn.
First, I have to wait for my sister, Lily. We're doing good so far, right?
Alright, here we go. What do we do next?
What? What we do? After we're done washing our hands, we start cooking. Can you get me a bacon, please, Lily?
Let's set it in.
Let's get some bacon in the pot. Like that, neatly. See how we're doing this, people? We're actually kids and we're doing this. It's freaking crazy.
It's freaking really crazy. And crazy.
Don't put that. Don't put that. Let's put that. Flip that piece.
And I don't know where to put it.
Let's put it on top of the bacon. Smells. No.
What do we do next?
Okay. Now. Booyah! Hey, people. We're gonna start playing. Lily, don't break it. We're gonna start cooking eggs.
I present you by uncracking the...
Oh!
It's not fun.
Okay, people. Next is the waffles. No, these are mine.
What's in one, dude?
So am I. That's it. Okay.
Going back
I have no
to
idea
this
what to do. Right? While we wait for our waffles, we will go get some cooking utensils. Whatever it's called. Cooking, whatever it's called. That's what I call it.
What else do I grab?
No, not that. A spatula. And a spoon. Don't get that big, huge one.
Mm-hmm.
This is the one we need.
Where's the other one?
That's good.
Oh,
I need spatula.
here's a couple.
SpongeBob has a spatula too.
He has this kind of spatula.
Oh, I want that spatula.
Lily, actually, okay, let's shove some waffles in.
Like that?
Yeah. Good. And now, press them in. Okay. We're going to be preparing these. There's the spoon. Oh. Okay, here
Can I
we
use
go.
this?
Oh, please. Let's use this first. Okay, now put that on.
No, I want it.
Okay. We're having some mental problems here. Hey. Come on. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Bother. Put it right here. It's crazy here, people. No! We're actually cooking. No one's behind the camera. We're just moving it.
Yeah.
And maybe even lying.
Yeah. Sure.
Wait, can I have that spoon again?
I present you to...
Are they hot?
Sure, they're hot.
Jeez.
I knocked one on the floor on accident. Oh, I need something to get it too high.
There.
I look at that.
Come on, Daddy. This is not fun.
Oh, it is fun. Some cool.
No, he said not funny. laughing right at us, right in front of us.
What is that? Can I taste this?
No! Here. When you're done, you'll have a healthy, delicious meal.
again.
It's breakfast for dinner.
Ew, burnt.
Ew. Who says kids can't cook? Huh? Maybe adults. What? Yep. It's... Hi. I don't know what... Bye? Bye.